That makes no logical sense. Now, what does it exactly mean when somebody says that an argument is not logically consistent? Now, as part of my series where I'm going to teach you guys all the logical fallacies that people use and the most known ones and the ones that I see, so we can be prepared to not be manipulated by others. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is less of a logical fallacy and more of the first thing you need to learn when you're doing logic. It's like the foundation of understanding argument. So what does it mean when someone says that an argument is not valid? So there are three parts of an argument. First, the premises, and then the conclusion. An argument can have several premises, and it only has one conclusion. So let me explain to you what a valid argument is using the most simplest example. All cats are mammals. That is the first premise, which is all cats are mammals. The second premise is that Katrina is a cat. So these are two premises. And from the two premises, we can draw the conclusion that Katrina is a mammal. Because from the first premise, we get that all cats are mammals. From the second one, we get that Katrina is a cat, and since we know that all cats are mammals, we know that Katrina is a mammal since Katrina is a cat. This is what we call a logical valid argument because the conclusion follows the premises. Now, what would be an invalid argument? An invalid argument would be premise 1, Paris is in France. Premise 2, the people of Paris speak French, and so the conclusion is that French people love croissants. Now, you tell me if this sentence makes any logical sense. Is it valid? No, it's not valid because the conclusion doesn't follow the premises. You cannot deduce the conclusion from the premises, so it's not valid. Now, when you're looking at arguments, when someone's giving you an argument, a lot of people just give you invalid arguments. Logically, it doesn't follow. So that's the first thing you need to notice. If someone, when making an argument, are they even making a valid argument?